Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Supriya from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore from CSE department. And let us talk about the topic called conditional branching statements. Into conditional branching statements. Conditional branching statements allows programs to make decisions based on certain conditions. These statements enable dynamic control flow, altering the execution path of the program. Understanding this concept is crucial for effective programming and algorithm design. What are conditional branching statements? Conditional branching statements evaluate a condition to determine which path of code to execute. A common example includes if statements, switch statements, and conditional expressions. They provide a way to implement logic and handle various scenarios in a program. The if statement. The if statement is the most basic form of conditional branching. It executes a block of code only if a specified condition evaluates to true. If the condition is false, the program skips the block and continues with subsequent code. When it comes to else clause, the else clause complements the if statement, providing an alternative execution path. It allows the programmer to define a block of code that runs when the if condition is false. This structure helps in managing multiple outcomes based on conditions. Comes to the else if clause, the else if clause extends the if else structure to handle multiple conditions. It allows for additional checks after the initial if statement. This creates a chain of conditions where only the first true conditions block of code is executed. Switch statements. As you see the example in the slide, it starts with the hash include studio and int main open bracket. Switch statements provide a cleaner syntax for handling multiple discrete conditions. They evaluate a single expression and branch execution based on its value. This method is often more difficult or efficient and readable than multiple if else statements. Conditional expressions or ternary operator. The ternary operator is a shorthand for simple conditional operations. It takes three operands and returns one of two values based on a conditions. This syntax can make code more concise, but it may reduce readability if overused. Nested conditional statements. Nested conditional statements or the nested conditionals occur when an if statement is placed inside another if statement. This allows for more complex decision making processes in programming. However, excessive nesting can lead to code that is difficult to read and maintain. Short circuit evaluation are the main logical operands and their truth tables and or NAND XOR or NOR. The short circuit evaluation is a performance optimization for logical operations. In an expression with AND or, evaluation stops as soon as the result is determined. This can prevent unnecessary computations and improve efficiency in certain scenarios. Common errors in conditional statements. One common error is the misuse of assignment operators instead of comparison operators. Another error involves logical errors that arise from incorrect condition formulation. Identifying and addressing these mistakes is vital for ensuring program correctness. Best practices for using conditional statements. Keep conditions simple and straightforward for better readability. Avoid deep nesting of conditionals to maintain clear and manageable code. Use descriptive variable names and comments to clarify the intent of conditions. Performance considerations. Excessive use of conditional statements can impact performance in a large code bases. Profiling and optimizing condition checks can lead to significant efficiency gains. Understanding the context of conditionals helps in making informed performance of decisions. Real world applications. Conditional branching statements are widely used in the user input validations. They play a crucial role in game development for decision making and event handling. Conditional logic is also essential for the web development for the dynamic content rendering. By the end of the slide, the summary of key points. Conditional branching statements are fundamental for implementing decision making in programming. Understanding the various types of their application enhances coding proficiency. Best practices can significantly improve code quality and maintainability. Thank you.